Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely, ultra spacious two-story house located on Crescent, Spaldings, Clarendon. The top floor, which is empty, consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, a single car garage, and a washroom in an incomplete state. The bottom floor consists of 2 flats. Flat 1 consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living and dining combined, and a kitchen. Flat 2 consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, separate living and dining rooms, a kitchen, a washroom, and a porch. The land area of this house is approximately 16,746 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.